Riley.
Did you know, for example... Now...
Well, typically proper maths geniuses, they're quite young. It's often not very good social skills. So no, definitely no one around here. Well, I love animals, so I'd be doing something with animals, probably cats or dogs. I mean, there's a place. There's a place in Southend, a cat hotel that my cats have gone to called the Pussy Palace.
You know what I mean? There's a place called the what, sorry?
The Pussy Palace. Consonant. Thanks, Sean. N. Thank you, Joe.
I was going to say that'll do me.
E. I. X.
Oh.
L. U.
Please.
M. N.
Let's get this party started.
Yeah.
D.
Adam.
Well...
You haven't got to stop there. One big one. For the first round. 9, 6, 2, 3, and the big one, 25. And the target, 460.
9 times 25.
Yeah, 9 25's 225.
Oh, is it? It's 18 times 25 is 405.
10 25's 250.
Yeah, add the 9.
259.
Minus 2.
Minus 2. Can't argue with that.
They can't take that
Can't
away
argue
from
with
you.
that.
10 plus 9.
10 plus 9, 19.
And then 25...
Yeah.
Minus the 3, then times them.
456.
So add that one.
3 times 6, 18. 450. Yeah, great. One away. One could have blacked his way through. If you start with 9
Didn't
times...
want to do that.
9 25's 225. Add the 10 for 235. Times it by 2 for 470, and then take away the 3 and the 6.
Yeah.
He is your...
Your turn to choose the letters.
E. M.
Please.
N.
Please.
R. I. T. F. O.
Please.
And the last one, S.
Informs.
Well, get ready with the... And 5 from anywhere else.
Thank you, Joe. One big one and 5 little ones. And this time around, they are 5, 3, 8, 1, another 1, and 25 again. And the target, 462.
And 62, John, did you get it?
5 plus 1 is 6.
Times 25.
Times 25 is 450. The other one and the 8 for 9 to add on, 459.
Okay.
I'm not sure. I'll have another look.
What, sorry?
I'm not sure. Get back to me. One. If you say 25 minus 3 is 22, 1 plus 1 is 2, times 8 is 16, add 5 for 21, and 21 times 22 is 462. Thanks. Sure. This is, Dear Rachel, I can't make it because I'm still on holiday, but this week, because I ran out of money, I'm staying at my local home. But anyway, this week I thought Sean and John, because they're both dog shit at Countdown, some extra teammates for them. Jimmy's got the details. Wish you were here. By that I mean, I wish Susie was here. Piss right off. Joe, P.S. tell Jimmy he's a go.
OK.
Please.
E. A. U.
Consonant, please.
P.
Consonant.
Oh.
T.
Consonant.
D. M. A. D.
OK.
1.
Come on, Sean.
9.
Sean.
And then we got 50, 75, 25, 100.
Come on, Sean.
And the target, 470.
Workings.
3
75 over 25, yep, 3.
away from the 100 is 97.
It is.
Times by 5
Times by 5 is 485.
and take away the 9.
Perfect. Wasn't
5. That's a break.
John,
Please.
of course. You can have an S.
Please.
O. D.
Please.
I. G, E, S,
That squiggle's an S, yeah.
O, last one, W.
John, what's your 7? Please.
Goodies, goodies and woodies.
Jono, your 7?
Goody.
Oh, it's two O's.
Done any better? Rachel, 9.